how to send a long video in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can send long videos on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So long videos basically means that let's say you have a video of up to 2 minutes or 3 minutes long and you want to send them on the Messenger app. How do you do that? Well, we actually do not have limitations, because even if you do have a long video at least up to 3 to 5 minutes long, then you will be able to send them without any issues. Just make sure that your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. After that, go ahead and then make sure to launch the Messenger application here, and then just select any random profile over here. Then you just want to tap the photos icon over here, and then just make sure to select a long video of your choice. You can tap on all photos, and you can also go to videos or downloads, because Messenger itself does not have any sort of limitations. So this way you'll be able to send long videos on Messenger. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.